Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 8 Sable Crescent in Whitby's finest Rolling Acres community. This beautiful, mature neighborhood is surrounded by walking trails, close to all amenities, schools, and transit. You're gonna love it. Let's check it out. The main floor features many new updates. We have hardwood flooring, smooth ceilings with pot lights, and a beautiful layout with a combined living dining space overlooking the family room. The kitchen has been beautifully renovated with new quartz counters. We have a separate sitting area and walk out to your own private backyard oasis. The second floor features 3 well-appointed bedrooms with wood flooring. The primary retreat offers its own 4-piece ensuite and walk-in closet. With a completed basement, this home offers tons of living space inside, and outside we have a large, beautifully manicured private backyard oasis with a gazebo, fully fenced and ready to enjoy. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.